Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to fix or how to solve rotate on Magic Tiles 3 app, you should just go to settings. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to Magic Tiles 3. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. And in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.